Dogs are amazing. They are loyal companions. They bring us joy. But dogs can also get into trouble. Knowing how to help them in an emergency is crucial. Your quick action can save your dog's life. Think of yourself as your dog's protector. You are their advocate. When danger arises, you need to be ready. This guide will teach you how to handle common emergencies. We will cover choking, poisoning, and heat stroke. Remember, knowledge is power. Empower yourself to be your dog's hero. Emergencies are stressful, but staying calm is key. Your dog will mirror your energy. Take a deep breath. Observe the situation. What happened? Are there immediate dangers? Is your dog conscious? Look for signs of distress. These include difficulty breathing, excessive drooling, or collapsing. Once you understand the situation, you can act quickly. Remember, every second counts. Your calmness will give your dog the best chance of survival. Having a dog first aid kit is essential. It's not just a precaution, it's a necessity for every responsible pet owner. Emergencies can happen at any time, and being prepared can save your dog's life. Keep it handy at home and in your car. This kit should include a variety of items to handle different types of emergencies. Whether you're at home or on the go, having a well-stocked first aid kit ensures you're ready for any situation. Gauze pads and bandages to control bleeding are a must. These items can help you manage wounds until you can get professional help. Knowing how to properly apply a bandage can prevent further injury and keep your dog comfortable. Hydrogen peroxide to induce vomiting, if advised by a vet, is another critical component. Sometimes dogs ingest harmful substances, and inducing vomiting can be a lifesaver. However, always consult your vet before doing so to ensure it's the right course of action. A rectal thermometer to check for fever is essential. Monitoring your dog's temperature can give you vital information about their health status. A fever can indicate an infection or other serious condition that needs immediate attention. Tweezers to remove ticks or splinters are indispensable. Ticks can carry diseases and splinters can cause infections. Being able to remove these quickly and safely can prevent complications. A muzzle to prevent biting if the dog is in pain is also important. Even the gentlest dog can bite when they're in pain or scared. A muzzle can protect both you and your pet during stressful situations. And important phone numbers: your vet, the nearest emergency animal hospital, and the ASPCA Animal Poison Control Center at 888-426-4435. Having these numbers readily available can save precious time in an emergency. Knowing how to use these items is crucial. It's not enough to just have them. You need to know how to use them effectively. Practice makes perfect, and being familiar with your first aid kit can make a significant difference in an emergency. Consider taking a pet first aid course. These courses can provide you with hands-on experience and teach you valuable skills. You'll learn how to handle various emergencies, from minor injuries to life-threatening situations. Being prepared can make a world of difference. Your dog relies on you for their safety and well-being. By taking the time to prepare and educate yourself, you're ensuring that you're ready to act when your dog needs you the most. Remember, a well-prepared pet owner is a responsible pet owner. Choking is a terrifying experience for both dog and owner. It can happen suddenly and without warning, turning a normal day into a frantic rush to save your beloved pet's life. It can be fatal if not addressed immediately. The urgency of the situation cannot be overstated, as every second counts when your dog is struggling to breathe. Signs of choking include pouring at the mouth, difficulty breathing, and blue gums. These symptoms indicate that your dog is not getting enough oxygen and immediate action is required. If your dog is choking, try to remove the obstruction. Open the dog's mouth carefully and look inside to see if you can identify the object causing the blockage. Use your fingers to sweep the inside of the mouth. Be thorough but gentle, as you don't want to push the object further down the throat. Be careful not to get bitten. A choking dog may panic and bite unintentionally, so approach with caution and try to keep the dog calm. If you can't remove the object, perform the Heimlich maneuver. This technique can be life-saving when done correctly. This involves applying pressure to the abdomen to dislodge the object. Place your hands just below the ribcage and apply a quick upward thrust. Seek veterinary attention immediately, even if you successfully dislodge the object. A veterinarian can ensure that no damage has been done to the throat or internal organs and provide any necessary follow-up care. After the emergency, comfort your dog and monitor them closely. They may be shaken and need reassurance that they are safe. Prevention is key. Keep small objects, bones and toys that can be swallowed out of reach. Regularly inspect your dog's toys for wear and tear. Training your dog to respond to commands like drop it or leave it can also prevent choking incidents. These commands can be lifesavers in situations where your dog picks up something dangerous. Be mindful of the food you give your dog. Avoid giving them bones, especially cooked ones, as they can splinter and cause choking or internal injuries. Regular veterinary checkups can help identify any potential health issues that might make your dog more prone to choking. Your vet can provide personalized advice based on your dog's specific need. Remember, your quick and calm response in an emergency can make all the difference. Being prepared and knowing what to do can save your dog's life and ensure many more happy years together. Section 5, Poisoning Act Fast, Save Lives. When it comes to our beloved pets, every second counts. Knowing what to do in an emergency can make all the difference. Dogs are curious. They explore the world with their mouths, and this can lead to poisoning. Their natural curiosity often gets them into trouble, especially when they encounter substances that are harmful to them. Common household items like chocolate, grapes, and medications can be toxic to dogs. Even small amounts of these substances can cause serious health issues. It's important to keep such items out of reach and be aware of the potential dangers lurking in your home. Signs of poisoning vary. They can include vomiting, diarrhea, lethargy, or seizures. Other symptoms might include drooling, difficulty breathing, or abnormal behavior. Recognizing these signs early can be crucial in getting your dog the help they need. If you suspect poisoning, act fast. Don't wait for symptoms to worsen. Immediate action can prevent further harm and increase the chances of a full recovery. Identify the poison if possible and contact your vet or the ASPCA Animal Poison Control Center immediately. Provide as much information as you can, including the type and amount of substance ingested and any symptoms your dog is showing. Do not induce vomiting unless instructed by a professional. Some substances can cause more damage if vomited. Always follow the guidance of a veterinarian or poison control expert. Time is of the essence. Every minute counts when dealing with poisoning. Quick and decisive action can make a significant difference in the outcome. Your swift action can save your dog's life. By being prepared and knowing what to do, you can protect your furry friend from the dangers of poisoning and ensure they get the care they need promptly. Remember, your vigilance and quick response are key to their survival and well-being. Section 6. Heat stroke, a silent killer. Dogs don't sweat like humans. They are vulnerable to heat stroke, which is a life-threatening condition. Signs of heat stroke include excessive panting, drooling, weakness, and collapse. If you suspect heat stroke, move your dog to a cool, shaded area. Wet their fur with cool water and offer them small amounts of cool water. Do not give ice water as it can shock the system. Seek veterinary attention immediately. Heat stroke can be fatal if not treated promptly. In an emergency, time is critical. Your ability to think quickly can make all the difference. Don't panic, assess the situation, provide basic first aid if possible. Remember the ABCs of emergency care: airway, breathing, and circulation. Ensure your dog has a clear airway, check for breathing, feel for a heartbeat. Knowing what to do in those crucial moments can save your dog's life. Stay calm, be decisive. Your quick thinking can be a lifesaver. You know your dog best. Trust your instincts. If something feels wrong, it probably is. Don't hesitate to seek professional help. Call your vet or the nearest emergency animal hospital. Explain the situation clearly, follow their instructions carefully. Remember, you are not alone. Veterinarians are trained to handle emergencies. They are there to help you and your furry friend. Preventing emergencies is always better than dealing with them. Take steps to keep your dog safe. Secure hazardous substances. Keep them leashed in public. Provide ample shade and water during hot weather. Be mindful of potential dangers in your environment. By taking preventive measures, you can significantly reduce the risk of emergencies. Your proactive approach will ensure your dog's well-being. Knowing how to handle dog emergencies is empowering. It gives you the tools to potentially save a life. Remember, you are your dog's best friend. Your love and quick action can make all the difference. Stay calm, be prepared, trust your instincts, By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can be your dog's hero. Your bond with your dog is unbreakable. Cherish it, protect it, be there for them in their time of need.